A lot of the companies now coming on board, especially at IMTS, is additive manufacturing, 3D printed components, near net shape forgings, castings. So very little material is going to be removed at some point going forward. And we've developed on purpose.
Why is that with those kind of products? Why would not very much material be removed? Because it's already almost to the right shape, I guess.
Right. So these components that are 3D printed are printed, manufactured in that process to almost its complete shape. And because of how unstable that process is at this point in the game, certain features of a component have to have machining done on it.
Yes.
For tolerance reasons or locating purposes. So very little material's got to be removed, as opposed to what we've seen in the past where you have a block of material that has to have a lot of metal removal to get to a final shape.